Hey guys, today we're going to be doing my December speed reviews. There's honestly not heaps here, to be honest. But regardless, I'll show you what we tried out. Okay, so the first thing was the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I actually really like this. I think it's really nice. It just feels so conditioning on the hair, obviously. So I'll use this maybe like once every 2 weeks, I guess. Or, yeah, I don't know. But, it's just really nice. So you do everything and then you put this on. And I feel like you honestly don't need to put like conditioner or whatever on after this. Like I feel like this leaves your hair feeling really smooth and shiny and conditioned and hydrated. So I do really like that. The next thing I tried out was this. This is the Juicy Pear from Sunday. I swear I've actually used this before, but I like rediscovered it. I don't know. First of all, it smells absolutely incredible. I really like this. I kind of like to use it for shaving because it's like a foam, obviously. But I actually really like these things. I'd really like to buy more of them, but I'm not buying any more body care at the moment because we have so much to get through. But yeah, I do really enjoy these. This is the In the Stars Moisturising Body Wash from Bath & Body Works. This smells so good. Oh, I don't know. It smells like something I've smelled before, but oh, like it honestly smells like a bit perfumey or something. But it's really, really nice. It says it's got notes of starflower, sandalwood musk, sugared tangelo, white agarwood, and radiant amber. Yeah, it's really nice. Feels really nice on the skin. I feel like it's such a nice size as well. And yeah, I just really enjoy that. I cannot get over how good that smells. Yum! Oh, what does it smell like? No, I feel like it honestly smells like one of the Sol de Janeiro things, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, tried out the Medicate Liquid Rehydration Serum. It feels really nice on the skin going on. I haven't used it enough yet to give like a full review, but I do like it and I'm excited to use more of it in the future. Oh yeah, it's just like a really kind of lightweight serum and just, yeah, super hydrating. So, love that. I tried out more of the... Well, I've tried this product out before, but this is a new scent. This is the Way Scalp and Body Scrub. This one's in Melrose Place. So the other one I have, or I just used up, is St. Bart's. I honestly feel like I might like Melrose Place more. Oh, I just feel like it smells so good. It doesn't say what scent it is, does it? It's kind of like rosy or something. Oh, I don't know. It's so good though. I love this and I love that scent. I really want to buy like the body washes and stuff. So, do they have body washes? Don't know. Either way, love it. Tried out the I Believe in Unicorns Fun. This smells really nice. Just trying to see if it has scent notes, but I don't think it does. I don't know what it smells like. It almost smells a little bit peppery, like pepperminty maybe? I don't know. But either way, I really like it. It smells good. Tried out a little Body Shop Grapefruit Shower Gel. I've used this before, but this is just a new bottle of it. Love it. It smells absolutely incredible. It gives me such summery vibes. I tried out the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair leave-in treatment. This is for moisture plus damage defense. I do like it. It felt really nice in the hair. I feel like my hair's in a really good spot at the moment. Like, I feel like it's not today, it's like greasy, but health-wise. Tried out the P. Louise You Scrub Up Well Body Scrub. This one is in the birthday cake scent, and let me just tell you, I could eat this. Oh, it smells absolutely incredible. Just so yummy. And I actually really like this scrub. I feel like it's a really nice one. I tried this out and I actually really liked it a lot more than I was expecting to. This is the Finishing Touch All Over Body Glow in Oh Honey. I wore it to my staff Christmas dinner and it was actually so nice. Like so glittery the whole night, like so shimmery. I loved it. I thought it was really, really pretty. And I want to go out to more events so I can wear it. I tried out the Protect Your Pout little lip conditioner from P. Louise. This one's in Blew My Mind. This is blueberry scented, which I'm actually going to put some on. It tastes like a lolly or something. From like, they used to be like these, like it wasn't like roll-ups, but it was kind of similar to a roll-up, and it was like rainbow coloured. And that's what it tastes like. Don't know. Anyway. And then I also tried out the gingerbread lip scrub from Lush, which I do really like. Smells so good, and I do like Lush lip scrubs. They're not my favourite anymore. Like, they used to be my favourite, but now that I've tried more, they're not my favourite. I still really like them though. This is the Peaches and... Oh no, not Peaches. The Pineapple Candle from Dusk. The one, they're like little collab with Allen's. This smells so good. I literally had to stop burning it last month because I was like, I'm going to use it up before I even get a chance to talk about it in speed reviews, so I love it. It smells so good. And I also tried this out. I can't remember if I've already talked about this or if I tried it out last month. My memory's going, but this is the Streets and Dusk collab, and this is the Splice candle. It smells exactly like a Splice, and it's so nice and summery. So yeah, that was everything for December. There wasn't heaps. December's always obviously a very busy month, but yeah, I have heaps of new fun stuff to try out this month, that like, you know, Christmas presents and all that kind of stuff, so very exciting. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.